Where's the party at?
There ain't no party, I just eat a lot.
Look at how big these are, but they taste so good.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No.
I'm gonna put all the frozen stuff in the freezer first because it's frozen. And then up here it fit perfectly, so I put it here, but it's just all of the greens. Hey yo, alright, you already know what's up. I'm about to do a fat ass grocery haul for y'all. I went grocery shopping, insert the clips. Can I get all of the Atlantic Center, the salmon cut? Yeah, all of it.
Where's the party at?
There ain't no party, I just eat a lot.
Y'all what I got. Okay, basically, I know a lot of people are up in my DMs right now because I posted this and people were like, oh my god, is this food for just one person? Yes, I eat a lot, okay? I also just want to say that I am so grateful to be able to go to the grocery store and just buy whatever I want without a budget, and it's all thanks to you guys, and I'm so grateful for it. So I want to give back to you guys. If you guys don't know, I'm posting every single day in December, and with that, I just want to give back to you guys. So I'm going to be giving away a bunch of like makeup and skincare kits and also a couple iPhone 13s. I can't believe those words came out of my mouth, but I just really want to give back to you guys because without you, I wouldn't have this life. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to see my face every day if you want. But basically, this is about to last me like 2 weeks, something like that. But let's just get into it. I mean, if you're a new viewer and you're trying to gauge why the fuck I eat so much, hi, I'm Mai. I'm 18 and I go to the gym every day, right? So like I heavyweight lift, and then if I don't eat enough, which I haven't been eating lately because there's no food in the fridge because I've been lazy to go grocery shopping. If I don't eat enough, then I get too skinny, and like personally for me, I don't want to be like skinny, so like I like to eat a lot. So I'm gonna go through everything that I buy and like what I'm gonna use it for. Basically, I'm trying to eat like 3,000 calories a day. I know y'all are like, ah! Sorry, I don't eat 1,200. Like, I'm not a child. Let's get into it. First off, we got some baby spring mix. Why? I don't know. I thought I'd be like a healthy little queen, get some like salad or whatever to like eat with like my chicken, I don't know. Maybe like a quick like Greek salad, something like that. But baby spring mix. Then I got lots of bok choy, okay? I got 4 freaking stalks of bok choy. Why did I get so many stalks of bok choy? I don't know, if you like make a little stir fry with some garlic and some soy sauce, have it as a little dish on the side with your dinner and stuff, you gotta eat your vegetables. You know what I mean? Y'all know that TikTok sound where it's like, Aaron, what's the TikTok sound? The eat your vegetables. Yeah, did you make a TikTok to that? Yeah. Insert Aaron's TikTok. Eat your vegetables! I like was watching videos on like how Asians be eating, and they always got sides of vegetables, like at least 2, and then I remember I used to eat bok choy all the time as a kid, and I was like, bok choy is kind of underrated. We got 2 bags of asparagus. They didn't have the fresh ones, so I don't know what this was about, but they're ready to eat, but I kind of want to put these in the oven. I don't microwave my asparagus, but you know, you eat these with your salmon as a side, but honestly, like, I'll probably eat half of a bag in one sitting when I eat dinner, so this is only gonna last me like less than a week, to be honest. Then we got some cilantro. Why? Because you gotta add this to your burrito bowls, your bean salad, I don't know, really good. Then we got some cherry tomatoes. You know, add this into your salads, your little bean salads. I'll explain what the fuck a bean salad is later. Yo, I used to hate tomatoes. Like, I used to be a tomato hater, but then I started off with like the little cherry tomatoes, and then I went to the big boy tomatoes. Now I'm a tomato lover. Then we got some regular tomatoes to dice this up, put them in, you know, your burrito bowl, your sandwiches, all that stuff. Then I got a bunch of mandarins just because I like to eat these like little cuties as a snack. You know, you pull them out of the fridge. whenever you're just feeling a little something something. I got a bunch of black plums. Is that what it's called? Like, I used to eat these all the time, but I don't really know what they taste like anymore, but I remember they were good. So I got a couple of these. I don't know, again, just like a little snack. Then I got 2 limes. You know, you gotta always have this to add into your burrito bowls. I keep talking about burrito bowls, but it's because I eat one like every day. We got a bunch of avocados. I got this like pack right here of green ones and then one that's Then I got one that's like kind of already ripe, just so that like the timing is perfect. I know I talked about it in my last grocery haul that I get so pissed off whenever my avocados like all get ripe at the same time, but then I learned from y'all to put some, yeah, because I read my comments, yes. I learned from y'all to put some in the fridge so that when they're like colder, they don't get ripe as fast, and then leave some out. Period. Learning something new from y'all. What do I use avocados for? I use them for avocado toast and burrito bowls. We got some apples. I kind of want to make apple crisp. We got some lemons just to squeeze on like the salmon, you know? We got a whole thing of garlic. Typically I only buy one, but then I realized I'm gonna need garlic to make my bok choy. I'm gonna need garlic to make my salmon. I'm gonna need garlic to season my vegetables. So we got this. Then I got 2 things of mushrooms. Last time I went grocery shopping, I only bought one, and I literally used the whole pack in like 2 dinners. So I got 2 of these. Hopefully this will last me long enough, but I love eating mushrooms. Mushrooms are so good. Then I got, 2 packs of blueberries. Last time I only bought one, and I ate it all in like 10 minutes. Strawberries don't really hit for me. Same thing with raspberries. I like try to buy them to like be a bitch that likes berries, but to be honest, they just go bad and moldy in the back of my fridge. So I learned my lesson. I only buy blueberries now. And I used to be a blueberry hater, but it's because the blueberries that I would eat back in Canada were grown without like GMOs and shit like that, so they were like sour, but the ones here, oh, these shits are blasted with GMOs, bro. Look at how big these are, but they taste so good. I'm in a fucking good mood right now. Okay. Why am I laughing? Then I got like I got 4 packs of Greek yogurt, and I was in the store, and typically I only buy like 2, but then I run out in literally like 2 days. So basically I eat like 2 of these a day, and I know y'all are like, what the f? But it takes like 2 seconds to eat. 15 grams of protein, 0 fat, 0 sugar, and they taste yummy. So before I go to sleep, I typically eat one, and then I eat one in the morning. That's 30 grams of protein right here. Yeah, I eat like 2 of these a day, so it's gonna last me like 2, 4, 6, 8. Ooh, a girl that does math. Can y'all tell that I be doing math late? I'm kidding. Oh, this is gonna last me 8 days, all of this yogurt. Then I got wild blueberries. I got mixed variety cherries and whole strawberries. I drink a smoothie like every single day. Actually, sometimes I be drinking 2. They're just so easy to make. I put a little bit of pea protein in there, 30 grams of protein. Oh, it tastes so good. So I got a bunch of different frozen fruits, and I also like to use the mixed variety cherries to put it in the Greek yogurt. Oh my god, that shit tastes so good. I got 2 packs of eggs, and my egg holder only holds like 18, but this is obviously more than 18, so I'm gonna boil the rest that don't fit in here. But I typically eat like maybe 2 eggs a day, 3 eggs a day, so I'm gonna have some boiled ones ready in the fridge just for a quick snack if I'm like heading out somewhere or something like that, and then eat the rest. But 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No. Yeah, this is gonna last me literally a week. Then I got some orange juice, but you gotta make sure you be getting the orange juice that is not from concentrate, and it's 100% juice, because you be going to the stores and you see all this orange juice and they look all pretty and shit, but they're not even that good for you, okay? You gotta get the 100% juice. Speaking of juice, I also got 100% apple juice, not from concentrate. All that clear shit that you be seeing is from concentrate, and most of the time it's not even 100% juice. So I got this. This is gonna last me like a week. Then I got some mayo. I fucking hate mayo with a burning passion. I remember I put on my story that I don't have butter for my grilled cheese, and y'all were like, oh, use mayo, and I literally wanted to puke at the thought of that. But I do be using mayo for my tuna. An easy quick snack is some mayo with tuna, some salt and pepper. Put that shit on some bread, eat it with some crackers, like what, 20 grams of protein, just like that. And as you can tell, I eat a lot of tuna. So I got 3, 9, 12, I got 13 cans of tuna. This will last me like 2 weeks. I don't eat a can of tuna every day, but typically. Then I got a bunch of beans. So we got black beans, pinto beans, and then more black beans. Why? Burrito bowls, bean salad. The amount of times that I mentioned that, too many. But yeah, really good. And then I also got, more chickpeas, because I eat chickpeas a lot too, so we got all of that. Very good source of protein. Might make you fart though. And then for frozen vegetables, I got 2 things of chopped spinach because I put chopped spinach in my smoothies every day. And then I also got 2 big boys of broccoli because I eat these with my chicken. Getting frozen vegetables is so much better than getting fresh because most of the time they have more nutrients in it anyways, because right when they pick them, they chop them up and then freeze them so it preserves the nutrients. But if you get fresh vegetables, they have to spray all this shit on it to make sure it stays fresh while it's importing into different countries. Get them frozen and they're cheaper. Oh, I got silken tofu because I saw this on TikTok where people just be putting like soy sauce and like garlic on it and eating it. And I was like, maybe I should try that because listen, this got 25 grams of protein in this. Might be a good little snack. We're gonna try it. And then I got 2 packs of chicken breasts. I like to freeze them, put them in Ziploc bags, and then just take like 1 or 2 out every time that I wanna eat one. But I usually eat like chicken, salmon, and tuna as like my meat sources for protein every day. So we got this. Oh my God, that juice just fell in my eye. I don't like to buy the, what the fuck? There's dead ass a spider that got like flattened out accidentally. Just fucking doing this little dancey dance right now. She's going, ah! Okay, listen, I was in the store and I asked the dude, I was like, can I get all the salmon? He was like, all of it? And I was like, yes. And then he was like, what kind of dinner party are you having? And then I was like, no, I just eat a lot. So I saw this TikTok where it was saying that buying like fresh salmon, Atlantic salmon, is better for you instead of frozen. Ralph's didn't even have frozen option anyway, so I had to buy the fresh. So I just got a bag of salmon. This is gonna last me a long, well no, I say a long time, but honestly I think maybe it'll last me like 2 weeks. But I'm gonna keep one of them fresh, freeze the rest of them, and then just take it out every time I need it. But I eat salmon for dinner every day. I got some seasonings because I ran out of seasoning because a bitch uses seasoning. We have ground cumin and paprika. I use this to season my chicken. Then we got some whole bean coffee. Getting whole bean is so much better than already ground. It just like has more flavor to it, but buying it in the store isn't even good anyways. Like I want to try like the coffee online where you order it and they like deliver it fresh, but I don't want to do that right now. So we got this. Then I got rice. I go through like a bag of rice every 2 weeks. Eat this with your chicken, eat this with your salmon, burrito bowls. Then I got 2 things of chicken bone broth. I already have like 2 of them. You can kind of see it in the back. I use this to feed Sterling and feed myself. I use this in Sterling's food, but I also drink like a cup of this every single day because it has 9 grams of protein every single serving and it has a lot of collagen, which is good for your skin. I got the Dave's Killer Bread. I got like the big boys this time, not the small ones because I'm trying to eat more. So each slice has 5 grams of protein in it. Oh, and then I got avocado oil. I ain't never tried this before, but apparently it's better for you than like other oils. I don't really care. I just wanted to try it just to try it. Then I got 3 packs of turkey sausage. I eat about 2 of these every single morning, so this is gonna last me like 4, 8, 12. It's gonna last me about 12 days. I'm gonna freeze 2 of these and then I've already ate one this morning, but I mean ate 2 of these morning. English. 2 of these have 13 grams of protein in it, so period. It tastes really good too and it only takes like 4 minutes to cook. Okay, and then I also got these 2 Power Waffles by Kodiak Cakes. I typically make pancakes, but these are just easy to throw in the toaster. Like if I'm on the go, I just throw it in the toaster, eat it, and then has 12 grams of protein per 2 of them, which is really good. It does have like some sugar in it though, but like I don't really care that much. But I got the blueberry ones and the dark chocolate ones. I ate the dark chocolate ones this morning and they were so good. This morning I had 2 eggs, 2 of those waffles, and then also 2 sausages, and that turned out to be like 35 grams of protein, 500 calories, and only like 7 grams of sugar, which is so good. And yeah, that's it for the haul. Time to organize the fridge. I'm gonna put all the frozen stuff in the freezer first because it's frozen. I'm gonna make little sections, so up here is gonna be vegetables and stuff, so let's do it. Alright, so for the meat in the freezer, I'm just gonna take these, open them up. I'm gonna leave 1 out just to make dinner tonight, and then I'm gonna put the rest in Ziploc bags so I can throw them in the freezer. Every time I wanna cook chicken, like every day, I'll just take it out and defrost it just so that it doesn't go bad, because I do buy a lot of meat at one time. So.
the side of the door, we have orange juice, apple juice for the smoothies, all of the condiments. And then up here, we have Alani Nu protein shakes. We have chocolate, vanilla, fruity cereal, cookies and cream. And then up here, it fit perfectly, so I put it here, but it's just all of the greens. I got these containers from Bed Bath & Beyond, by the way. And then we have Alani Nu energy drinks, Celsius energy drinks. My favorite is the peach mango tea. And here we have, let me see if I can show y'all with one hand. Let me use my knee. We have the asparagus all up in there. Then we have the bok choy that I cut there. All of my eggs, blueberries. All my Greek yogurt is back there. In here, we have cilantro, tomatoes, avocado. In here, we have plums, apples, limes, lemons, and mandarins. In here, I have my mushrooms and stuff. And then in here, I have my tofu, eggs, all that ish. Okay, the freezer, it's not super organized looking, but it is organized to me. We have the vegetables, shrimp, all of my fruits, salmon and chicken, broccoli. All of my waffles are down here. And then in here, I have my breakfast sausage and a couple other things. But yeah, that's it for my fridge organization and grocery shopping. If you guys like these type of videos, let me know because I can do more. I go grocery shopping like every other week. I post 3 times a week, or is it every day? I don't know. I post a lot though, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Go check, because I bet you haven't subscribed, because I know a lot of you guys watch my videos and you don't even subscribe. I can see if you subscribe and you watch my videos or not, and I can see if you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed. Fun fact. All right, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.